Hi, everybody. Today I'd like to show you a free online resource for creating formative assessments called Quizizz. What Quizizz is a gamified student response system where you can either create your own assessments or you can use or modify previously created ones that are available in their library, and then have your students answer them in a fun and interactive setting on any device with internet access. Quizizz is similar to Kahoot, if you're familiar with that, as I know some of you are. But there's some key differences that I think give Quizizz an advantage in many cases, and I'll mention those as I walk us through the process of creating and giving a quiz. You don't have to create your own quiz. There is this library with many pre-made quizzes to choose from other people that have been made public. You'll notice on the side it shows you the sample questions, and also underneath the quiz title it'll tell you when it was created, who created it, but more importantly, for what grade range they designed it for. You can also search for specific topics just by using the search box up here. You can type in whatever you're looking for. You'll notice there's pages and pages and pages of results on many common subjects that you might cover in your own classes. But it's pretty easy to create your own quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create Your Own Quiz button right here. And you just simply start by entering a name for your quiz. I'll just keep this simple. They also want you to add a subject tag. So I'll just type in science, press return. I'll add weather as well. And then I'll just hit add questions down here at the bottom. And it takes me to this screen. You can type your question in this box up here. Notice you can change colors and font sizes if you want to. But I'm just going to type in a weather-related question here. And then when I'm ready, I just click down here and put my answer choices in. You get 4 options. You don't have to use them all if you don't want to. Again, you can change font color, font size if you like. And you also need to mark the correct answer, or answers if you prefer. And then when you're ready to move on, you just hit add question down here. You're ready for your next question. So I'll click on the box, type in my next question. And maybe I'll upload an image for this one, so I'll just click on this box and the choice to upload from a web address or from my computer. So if I have something on my desktop already, I can just drag it right in there. It uploads, and there it is. And now I can just type my answers in. And then I just need to mark the correct answer. And I can add another question if I like, but I'm just going to end the test here. Click the button. Now it just needs a few more details. I can add a description if I want. I'm going to skip that, but I will set my grade level. And then I'm also going to change my privacy settings to private. Then I'm all done, so I'm going to save and exit. And now I have the option to play my quiz. Now before I administer the quiz, I can scroll down and review my questions first and make sure they're okay. Notice there's also the option to delete or edit if I need to fix something. I can make a duplicate if I want. I can share it many ways, but I'm just going to hit play here. Now before I hit proceed, notice there's a few settings I can adjust before I give the quiz. I can change the order that the questions appear, so different students will have different questions at different times. I can turn on or off the leaderboard. I can have the answers show at the end of the quiz so students can review their answers while they're waiting for the rest of the students to finish. I can turn the timer off so that uh, points aren't accumulated depending on how quickly students answer the questions. And there's also this show memes option where, depending if the students get questions right or wrong, a popular meme will appear. So that's one way it really differentiates itself from Kahoot. So once you're ready to start the game, you'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. There's a URL up in the corner here, joinquizizz.com, that students will have to type in on their own device, and then they'll have to use that code. So I'll just open up another window and show you what it's going to look like on the student's device. I'll enter in that URL, and then I need to enter in this game code right here, 38497, and I'll just press go. Then it'll prompt me for a name, so I'll type a name in here and press go. And now it shows on my screen that I have one person waiting to test, so I'll just get another one going. Again, enter in the code 38497. Press go, and we'll type in a name there and hit go as well. Um, when I have all my students signed in and ready to go, just push the start game button there in the middle. So there's a quick countdown, and now the test is running. On my screen, it just says waiting for answers, but you'll notice on the students' screens that are actually taking the quiz, they get the, oh, there's a meme, they get the questions and answer choices on their device, which I like a lot better than Kahoot, where the questions and answers are all on the teacher's screen, so that you're projecting it onto a smartboard, and then all that students see on their devices are the symbols which represent the answers. So now that the game's over, gives me a quick rank, and then the students can scroll through their answers and see how they did. W means wrong, so if they got it incorrect, they'll see the W. If they got it correct, they'll see a C. And on my screen, I get to see a breakdown of how all my students did with all the different questions. What's also great is there's this Save Data button, which I can push, and it will just download a Excel spreadsheet that I can click on and open up Excel, which is a really quick and easy way to get my data from the assessment. And so that's pretty much Quizizz. It's really fun for the kids. It's really easy to create an account and to create these quizzes. I hope you give it a try in your classrooms. If you need any help, please contact your friendly neighborhood ITC. Thanks.